This week on Theme Park Bar, we're dipping our toes in the pool as we're celebrating spring break at Walt Disney World with the pool bar staple, the Banana Cabana. Hello, my name is Matt and welcome to Theme Park Bar. I am a career bartender and an Orlando native who wants to show you how to make the best signature drinks from around the world and across the universe. Here at Theme Park Bar, we know the best attractions are the ones served in a glass. Happy spring break, everyone. It's back. After a year hiatus, spring break is here with vengeance. At least I think it's spring break right now. I'm not really in school or anything like that, but I know the parks are at capacity and hotel prices are insane right now. $200 for a room at the All-Star? Oh, go f*** yourself. In all seriousness, it's great to see things returning back to normal in a crazy spring break season. Is pretty dang close to normal as it's gonna get. This week's drink, the Banana Cabana, is a very popular cocktail and is a true staple of the Disney pool bars. It can be found all over property, and I mean all over property. Hey, I know that was a really long list, and I guarantee you I definitely missed at least one or two bars in there. No doubt whatsoever. The Banana Cabana has been delighting guests for what seems like forever. It's Disney's own magical twist on a very well-known rum punch that was invented in the Bahamas, known as the Bahama Mama. The drink was first invented in 1961 and was inspired by Dottie Lee Anderson, a famous calypso singer of the 30s. What does it have to do with this drink? Not much at all. But that's a thing that kind of happens in bars quite often. You get a very well-known cocktail and you swap out a single ingredient and suddenly it becomes yours. And, well, here's what you're going to need to make your own Banana Cabana. 1 ounce of mango flavored rum, 1 ounce of coconut flavored rum, half an ounce of banana liqueur, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces of orange juice, and a splash of grenadine. Alrighty, Banana Cabana time. With any pool drink, you're going to want this sucker to be icy cold. So you know we're starting with the mixing glass filled with ice, and fill this guy up. And this is going to be a pretty easy one to put together. We're going to start with 1 ounce of our coconut rum. After that, we have 1 ounce of our mango rum. You saw I used Malibu coconut. Now I'm using Cruzan mango. The reason for that is this was cheaper. That's all. It's all the same, really. 1 ounce of mango rum. Now, of course, this is a drink called Banana Cabana, so we have some banana liqueur, also known as creme de banana. You can find this at literally every liquor store, and this stuff is pretty cheap, usually about like $7 a bottle. Nothing too fancy, half an ounce. This stuff is potent too, a little bit's gonna go a long way. All right, from there we're gonna add our tropical juices, which I know I've said in the past is always just code word for OJ and pineapple. We need 3 ounces all day, so we're gonna do 1.5 ounces each. So 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, I'm just gonna eyeball it here. And about 1.5 ounces of OJ. Again, just eyeballing. Then we're gonna grab our tin, give it a seal, and shake her up really quick. Really quick, really easy. Pop that seal, pull up your serving vessel of choice, and open pour from the tin right in. All right, it's already a very pretty drink. We're gonna add one more step, a splash, maybe about 1/2 ounce of grenadine. You can do this when we're mixing everything up, shake it in the tin and all that's gonna give it a nice red color. But it's fun to do it this way. It's a little snazzy presentation. You don't need a spoon or anything for this layering. It should just sink straight to the bottom. There's no alcohol in grenadine, obviously. It's just sugar, so it's gonna fall down. Higher proof liquors will tend to float to the top. Things with more sugar and less alcohol go straight to the bottom. That's why if you ever go to a bar and they offer you like a floater of like 151 or something, that's why it stays up right there on top. It's just too high of a proof for it to sink, and the sugars kind of hold everything up. A little fun science lesson for you. Lastly, just gonna throw in a quick garnish of an orange wedge and a basic Betty cherry. Orange and cherry, didn't have any great looking pineapples at the store today, so we're 86 in that. Cherry and orange, though, taking you where you be. And with that said, there you go, the Banana Cabana Disney pool bar staple. You honestly can't find a Disney pool bar that doesn't have this drink. Coconut, mango rum, banana liqueur, pineapple juice, orange juice, a little bit of grenadine. I'm going to grab I'm going to bust out one of the shark straws because this looks beachy. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. I'm going to give it just a little bit of agitation. Get the grenadine mixed a little bit. Woo! Oh, that's sweet. That is really sweet. It's really good. It tastes like a pool drink. You know, I can't do this. Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, there we go. Now it really feels like I can appropriately judge this drink. It's on the sweet side. We know that going in, but you gotta be in the right mindset for a pool drink. Pool drinks especially they're just a different beast. So, all right, Banana Cabana time. Let's give her a proper tasting. It is very sweet. It doesn't taste that strong. There's not a whole lot of that like alcoholic burn. I gotta say, as a bartender, one of the most annoying things in the world is when someone's like, I can't really taste the alcohol in here. You guys saw me make it. We made it together here. There's 2.5 ounces of alcohol in this drink. When you're using stuff like coconut rum and mango rum, that stuff is designed to not taste like booze. It's designed to taste sweet and fruity and like candy, like this is. This is very sweet. This is very tasty. I'm actually kind of surprised at how much I enjoy this. Stuff like Bahama Mamas and Rum Runners really aren't quite my thing. I do like that more traditional, straightforward, tiki, rum-based drinks. I do like stuff that's a little bit more spirit-forward than this, but this is very good. This is very tasty. This definitely tastes like a pool drink. This tastes like, I'm on vacation. Woo! Let's get some $14 chicken tenders and 8 of these for a round, But very sweet, dangerously easy to drink. I have, without trying, actually, I don't want to drink as much as it's that I am. I've already gone through about half of this, and yeah, I honestly cannot stop. Wow. It's one of those drinks that in my day I have made quite a few of, but it's been a while. It's been a while since I've tasted one of these, and I think I judged it a little too hard. This is delicious. This is sweet. This is going to be perfect for your pool party, and this is definitely going to get you and all your friends feeling a special kind of way out in the sun. Hey everyone, as always, thank you so much for tuning in to Theme Park Bar and helping me recreate the Banana Cabana this week, or I guess what's left of it. If you were a fan of the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, become one of my bar regulars simply by hitting that subscribe button as well. The Banana Cabana is it's a popular one. You can get it, like I said, at almost every Disney pool bar. So what's your favorite Disney pool? I want you guys to let me know in the comments below. Where do you want to catch some rays, catch some drinks, and just have a good old Florida sun time? You can chat with me all over the internet as well on social media, Twitter and Instagram, both at ThemeParkBar. You can also support the show by following the links down below or heading to patreon.com/ThemeParkBar as well. Remember, when you're going out to any pool bar, you're always being safe, you drink responsibly. Never forget to tip your bartenders. Bring your photo ID with you as well. And don't forget that sunscreen, or else you're going to have a week like I have. Until next time, cheers. Spring break!